Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Intel Core i9-12900K. It is 30 megabyte cache and LGA1700 chipset. Let's open this. Let's do it carefully. It comes in very nice box in golden color, and how we open this, there is this arrows. I guess you turn, yes, you turn it. I don't want to drop the CPU. Okay, just like that. Here we got the CPU, Intel, looks nice. It's kind of heavy too. Let's open carefully. I see there are some spots here. I'm not sure what is this. Looks like maybe the cores. It's nice. It's heavy CPU, and I think right now this is the best consumer CPU in the market for the price $550. So you can, once you are done, you can take this, leave this on your computer, showcase, show off your beautiful fastest CPU. In the box we have a booklet, we have an Intel logo here. I think we can remove this and put it on the computer. It shows how we can install. I'm going to install this on my new gaming desktop. I spent nearly $4,000 for everything. I'm going to have the other videos if you are interested to watch. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.